Hello viewers. Welcome back to Reviews A to Z. I hope you are very well. Today I am gonna tell you about how to flat belly fix in 21 days. In the 21-day flat belly fix program you'll learn 1. How to elevate your levels of the Master Fat Burning Hormone by 1,300% in women and 2,000% in men. So your body becomes a raging fat-burning furnace every night, burning away unwanted fat while you sleep without even having to set foot in a gym. Learn 2. The white fat fuel secret that forces your body to stop feasting on sugar as your primary energy source. You have your body and cells gobbling up your white fat like pudding, so only your lean, beneficial brown fat remains. Learn 3. Are you suffering from type 2 diabetes? Or has your doctor warned you that you are pre-diabetic? Need to take action now? You'll discover how to reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 33%. By doing nothing more complicated than drinking this tea. Simply click the button below in description right now. You'll get the complete 21 flat belly fix program. If you want more weight loss plan reviews, please visit us www.reviewsatoz.com. And don't forget to subscription button our channel. Thanks for watching.